Hey guys, I know I haven't been making a video in a while. That's because I've been really busy. But anyways, I'll try to make as many videos as I can now. But yeah, today I'll be doing some shoutouts. And the first shoutout goes to Night Cardistry. Okay? So he has 19 subscribers. And he deserves really more. He is so talented.
For this trick, we'll be using one card.
He is so talented.
So this card right here. Take a look at it, remember it?
He's an awesome guy. And the second one goes to Magic of Rahat. Okay? So he's doing the drive-through pranks. And he does magic too. He is just awesome. Yeah, he's so awesome. And the third one goes to Titus12. He has some moped videos. Yeah, he is awesome. And he has 132 subscribers. He needs really more. Really more subscribers. So, yeah. Okay. Well, the fourth one, I think, goes to Freddy. He is just so awesome. They make these, like, action movies, like, let me just show you here one. And HD videos. Look at that one. They're just so awesome. They're awesome. And fifth one goes to Super Tom 123. He's cool too. He's really nice. He's just so cool. I like this video. One of my favorites. He's into like video editing and that stuff.
Let me go get you a drink. I'll go get you a drink, alright? Wait right there.
He's just so good at video editing.
Hey John, I got you the drink. Oh, he's already dead.
Yeah, so that's him. He's so awesome. So awesome. And the sixth one goes to Just Josh and Magic. He's cool. He does magic. He does live magic. He is the best. He is so good. He's just awesome. Look at this picture here. An awesome guy. Seventh one goes to Eric Surf 6. Think you know him already. Yeah. And the seventh one goes to Miss Mag 822. Think you know him too. And the last but not least, Pan the Nintendo Man. I think I said his name right. Hope so. If I didn't, I'm sorry. But he has some amazing tricks. He has 687 subscribers, which is really good, but he deserves more. Really much more. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Yeah, let me just